Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord screen. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. Also, place a soft cloth over your dashboard to prevent any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's begin by carefully prying off the dashboard trim pieces surrounding your current screen. Always use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid damaging the delicate surfaces. Once the trim is loose, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to these components. Finally, locate and remove the screws that secure the existing screen assembly in place, allowing you to carefully pull it out. With the old screen removed, it's time to install your new unit. Carefully connect all the electrical harnesses to the corresponding ports on the back of the new screen. Ensure each connection is secure and snug. Next, position the new screen assembly into its housing and fasten it securely with the mounting screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach all the dashboard trim pieces, making sure they snap firmly into place. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Turn on your car and thoroughly test the new screen. Check all its functions, including touch response, navigation, and audio output, to ensure everything is working correctly. Make sure there are no loose connections or error messages. Also, for a great reading experience, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.